These arrived in the post today from AliExpress. The ignition cover and the shock absorbers covers. The ignition cover comes with a very tiny Allen key or hex key. The ones for the shock absorbers do not come with an Allen key or hex key. Well, this little hex key comes with the ignition cover. There's no hex key provided for the two on the shock absorbers, but I think it's a 2mm hex key. And from what I can see, I fitted them. They're quite easy to do, fiddly, but from what I can see, they offer no benefit at all to safety or anything else. But all the accessories on my bike are gold. My horns, the exhaust tailpipe and the wheels. So I fitted them purely for what we used to say in the army is a bit of bullshit. But there we are. It might make life more difficult to adjust, I don't know. They're very easy to fit. They look quite nice, but that's the only good thing I have to say about them.